guidance for directors of companies in financial distress, help and support for businesses from industry experts in this post-COVID world, and Tide Bank to guide firms to help optimize cash flow. All of this in the latest Business Finance Bulletin. Despite there being a sense of the start of a return to normality, there are many businesses out there who've taken a severe financial hit over the last 12 to 18 months, and as a result, they're unable to take full advantage of the recovery. Well, R3, the restructuring and insolvency firm, have issued a new free guide for directors to help you spot the signs of financial distress and, more importantly, what options and actions you can take to safeguard your business. This report, called Getting Back to Business, a guide to dealing with corporate financial distress, outlines a number of key areas of actions that you can take. So in this report, it contains the options you can take to resolve corporate financial distress. It explains how insolvency and restructuring can help retain a viable business and save jobs, can point directors to correct sources of advice, and it sets out your director's duties and responsibilities. So if you feel that you may be in this position where your business is under stress and you want to know a little bit more about options and actions, just go along to backtobusinessuk.com, and there you'll find out how you can download this free report. Take advantage of this because it would really help you get back on the path to recovery. In this post-COVID world, it's important that all firms seek out and take advice, support and guidance from acknowledged industry experts in relevant sectors, and that includes finance. But it's good to see a number of credit finance industries have got together to form a support hub for businesses perhaps who got questions on how to better control credit, to avoid late payment, collecting debts, etc. Now, all of this is branded under the title of SME Supporting Growth and Survival. And the number of industry experts in this group include the likes of Forums International, Begbie's Trainer, Co-Credo, Martin Brook Credit Management, Grow With Us, and Thornbury Collections. All of these, as I say, are acknowledged industry experts. So if you do have a question about better managing your credit, at the moment now they're doing everything via a great LinkedIn group. So go to LinkedIn and look for SME Supporting Growth and Survival. There you can ask to join the group and you'll be able to start asking questions. A great resource from credit industry experts. So please feel free to tap in and suck all of that knowledge out of the group. Regardless of what stage in the economic cycle we're in, whether that's a recession or growth, managing cash flow is always important. Tide Bank, the mobile-only bank, has announced that it's about to launch its Cashflow Insights. It's a tool that will help you optimize your cash flow to make sure that you don't run out of cash. Now, initially, it's only going to be available for Tide Bank customers, but very soon it'll be available to non-banking customers as well as part of the open banking program. So what will this tool give you? Well, it'll give you a health check. It will take a look at your cash flow and also forecast ahead 30 days to see what your likely cash position will be. It'll give you prompts on what actions you can take, but in terms of chasing overdue invoices, for example. It'll also link you in with lenders. So if you can see that you're going to be facing a cash crunch, well, there's a number of lending partners who've joined this program. So seamlessly, you will be able to apply for finance in order to plug these gaps. So it's a great initiative there from Tide Bank, all about making sure that you optimize your cash position and you don't run out of cash. If you want to know more about this, just go along to the Tide Bank website, which is tide.co. That's it for another bulletin. As ever, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a like and a share, and of course subscribe to this channel. So that's it. Look forward to being with you next time, and in the meantime, have a great, successful and profitable week.